Hello. How are you doing? Hope you are doing well. And of course, in the meantime, I have built a small project for my profile using React.js codes. As you can see here, this is a project which I built it using React.js, and of course it is running without any error, and I called that project my profile. Now what I did, I came to GitHub and I switched from my testing account to that real account, my account. You can see here the name is changed from Caramel TZ to Caramel 26. And of course, I did what we did in the previous lessons, adding all, pushing to my main branch. Everything is there like we did in our lessons. If you follow up from the introduction, you will reach that level easily. Then after that, of course, React.js will be another lesson apart. Now what we have to do is to deploy that project online using a hosting service called Netlify, and of course it is free. Now I have to come in Google, put here, write Netlify, and I enter, and from that first link, just select it. Now, if you don't have an account, you just sign up. If you do have already an account, you just log in. For me, I have already an account, I will just log in, and you can see it is providing you three main ways to log in. Either use GitHub, either use GitLab, either you log using Bitbucket. But for me, I have already an account using GitHub. And of course, because GitHub is already authenticated in my browser, it will just check if the credentials are correct, and you can see even my GitHub profile is checked, is bringed. Now I have already two websites which are here running already. What I have to do is to come here on add a new site. You click on it and you import an existing project, or start from a template or deploy manually. For me, I will import an existing project because they will be checking from GitHub. And of course, you can see here, I will have deploy with GitHub, which is my option, and that pop-up will check if there is authorization, and if it is validated to prompt you all projects you have in your GitHub account. Now I'll have just to write profile, and I will wait it to just look for my project. When my project is here, I will just select it. And you can see here, it is picking automatically the branch main, because I don't have any other branch. And after that, I will have to do nothing else, just come down and I click on deploy. Now you will have just to wait the deployment process to end. And that deployment process to take an account your internet speed, Of course, it can be fast or slow depending on which type of internet you are having. And of course, most of the time doesn't take a lot of time. Like you can see now already, my website is published. That is a message which can show you that there is no any error during your deployment. Now after that, let me come here back. You can see here, it is giving me a name randomly. This is a random name, and the problem with those random names, every time they keep changing. Like here, if I try to open my site, you can see it is running, but the best way to do things is just to change that name on your specific name. That is why I have to go in site configuration. Then from site configuration, I will click on change site name. Just select here, and let me put my name, Carmel Nheshimana. It is Carmel Nheshimana. Now I save. Now after saving, even the link will change. If I came here and I refresh, that one is not found because it is already dead. I can come here again. I click on the site and it will open me the same site, but now with another link. you can see here my website is working perfectly and it is made using React.js. You can see it is really amazing. This will be our coming lessons. Just stay tuned, you will learn also how to do this. And you can see here dynamic things, and you can see here the way how the things are coming. This is really amazing. Yeah, and of course that's take end of our lesson about GitHub. Stay tuned for coming lessons, and I hope to not be hard for you to deploy now your website using Netlify. It is too much easy, so much easy. Just you have to create an account on Netlify, upload the web or your project on GitHub, and give Netlify access to your GitHub repositories. Select your project and click on deploy. If there is some errors, you just write in comment and try to debug together. Thank you very much. Thank you for following me during that project. My name is Carmen Hishimana, and because that project is built with that course, GitHub course, that one will stay online. Stay tuned. If you need any type of information, you just come and click here on send us email. Just click on send and it will open you my email. You put your information and you will send according to your way of your device. If it is a phone, it will open Gmail. It is setted already. Just open that link, contact me inbox, and if there is any challenge or write a comment, share, like and subscribe. Stay tuned and thank you very much.